Hey friends, this is Atif for Pure Val and welcome to the update on Bitcoin Cash. Recently, we had a big development on the daily time frame chart of Bitcoin Cash. You can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance, and we also broke down this very long-term uptrend line support as well. And now, recently, we had broken out these two resistance levels, the previous this downtrend and resistance and this uptrend and support. And now the pricing is about to retest these resistance levels, especially this one, this uptrend line resistance as support. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that previously it had been working as a very strong support here, and before that it was working as a resistance here. And in fact, on the weekly time frame chart, we are still breaking it down. So far, the candlestick is not closed. However, on the daily time frame chart, we have broken out this resistance and about to retest the previous resistance as a support soon. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this recent breakout from this down channel and a very, very huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for auction, just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 16th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade setup buyings on, that targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very, very massive rally, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart, and here you can see that for the past several weeks, the price of Bitcoin Cash was getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance since after the month of Feb 2024. And now finally we have broken out this downtrend and resistance, but got rejected by this next very strong and long-term resistance of $400. That was recently breaking at a very, very strong support here for several days or weeks. And before that, it was breaking at a resistance here and resistance here, therefore again. It is working as a very, very strong resistance now. The pricing is about to retest the previous resistance, the uptrend resistance as a support. That is a quite long-term uptrend line resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been working as a support here for several months and resistance here for several weeks or months. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support. However, on the 7-day time frame chart, it did not break it out, but on the daily time frame chart, the breakout is confirmed, and we are now about to retest this level, this uptrend line resistance as support. In case of breaking it down, it can drop down to the next long-term support of $350 as well. Now, recently, you can see that we have already broken out this down channel, and the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at $700. And now if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of this side. That is somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.